Are you dancing?
He's a dancing bear.
Is he a dancing bear? Are you dancing? Hi. Is he a dancing boy? Is he dancing? Is he got tickles his feet? You got dancing feet? You got some dancing feet? They tickle this? They tickle this? Is he a happy boy? Is Alexander a happy boy? Yes, he is. He's very happy. Where are you going? You running? Or are you dancing? I like to think he's dancing. Is he a dancing boy? Is he a happy boy? Yes, I think he is. He's got dancing feet. He's got some dancing feet. Dancing feet. He's a happy, happy boy. Yes, he is. He's happy. He's running. Are you talking to Nana? Are you talking to your Nana? Is he a big boy? It's a dancing feet. Alexander. Alexander, there you are. There you are. There he is. He's a happy boy. He's a happy boy. He's a dancy boy. He's dancing. Do. Uh-oh. Is the party over? Is the party over? Huh? It's all over? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get mad? You ready for Papa? You ready? Okay.